This recipe is for Coronation Chicken and is rather nice. It shreds a whole roasted chicken with 2 forks. The full recipe is in the description. It transfers the shredded chicken into a bowl and keeps in the fridge until required. It's using a homemade mayonnaise, and you should totally check out the previous video where it made that lovely stuff. It combines the mayonnaise into a bowl with curry sauce, mango chutney, some chopped dried apricots, and sultanas. It wants you to know that this is a technique video and to feel free to adjust the quantities to suit your palate. It mixes thoroughly, then it adds creme fraiche and seasons to taste with salt and pepper. You should definitely like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. It combines the shredded chicken with enough of the coronation sauce to coat, it beats the mixture with a spoon, and has a final taste to check the seasoning. It has made more coronation sauce than is required for this quantity of chicken, so it saves the remaining sauce, which is enough for another batch. It wants you to know that this coronation sauce also makes for a delightful potato salad. To serve, it arranges some out-of-focus tomatoes on a plate, it seasons them, then it arranges some lettuce leaves. It tops with a few spoons of this totally amazing coronation chicken. It then scatters some red onion, sliced radish, flaked almonds, and some parsley. You should definitely use salad items of your choice. It tries this coronation chicken and confirms that it is rather nice.